Nadala ko.
You have 100,000! And you are one step away to winning 500,000 pesos!
Laban ko na yan!
Aisa and Liza, ang sagot sa ating jackpot question
Jojo eh.
ay nakikita nyo ngayon sa ating Final Four. Ang
Jojo,
tanong, ang
Jojo,
buhay
eh.
naman ay puro risk, hindi ba?
We came here, didn't really expect to win, so...
So, go!
Jojo eh.
Wait a minute, okay?
Jojo,
We can
eh.
feel the spirit. Ang tanong,
Ano na naman yung tanong?
kayo ba ay magno-no way at masaya na sa 100,000 or all the way to
Jojo, eh.
500,000 pesos?
Jojo eh.
Aiza and Liza, no way or
Either way.
all the way?
Either way. Yes? All right. All the way.
All the way! Aiza and Liza. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
No, but yeah, let's do it.
I was born ready.
Yes! Aiza and Liza, good luck! Narito ang inyong final question na nagkakahalaga ng kalahating milyong piso. Bluffboard, please reveal. Alin sa mga sumusunod ang kilala rin sa tawag na lycanthrope? At narito yung apat na sagot. Adarna bird, posibleng sagot. Unicorn, dragon, werewolf. Isa dyan ang tamang sagot. No coaching, please.
Game?
And the timer starts now.
Werewolf.
You have more time.
Yes.
Yeah.
The answer, Blackboard, is werewolf, she said.
Werewolf.
You have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up! And that is their final answer. Lycanthrope is a werewolf. Bluffboard, sa sagot na werewolf,